In today's video, I am going to teach you how to automatically transfer data from Google Sheets to Notion. To make this work, we are going to use Zapier, which is an automation tool that connects different apps and moves information between them. The first thing you need to do is go to your Zapier homepage. Once you are signed in, look along the left side navigation and click on App Connections. This is where Zapier keeps a list of the apps you have linked, like Google Sheets and Notion. On the App Connections page, find the section where your connected apps appear. Click into the Connections area, then click again to open the specific app connection options. You are essentially navigating to the place where Zapier lets you add new services and confirm that they are authorized. When you are in the right spot, click on Add Connection. Now you will choose the app you want to connect. Click in the Search or Selection area and look for Google Sheets. Select it, then follow the prompts to sign in and approve access. Make sure you choose the correct Google account and allow Zapier to view and manage the spreadsheets you want to use. After that, repeat the same idea for Notion. Click again in the Connection Selection area, find Notion, and authorize Zapier. In Notion, you may be asked to select which workspace and pages or databases Zapier is allowed to access. Take your time here, because if you do not grant access to the database you plan to use, Zapier will not be able to send the data where it needs to go. Once both connections are added, click Create. This takes you into the workflow area where automations are built. Next, click on Automated Workflows to begin setting up the actual transfer. In the Workflow Builder, click into the search field and type what you want to build, focusing on Google Sheets and Notion. This helps Zapier suggest the right automation. Finally, click Start Building. From here, you are ready to configure your trigger in Google Sheets and your action in Notion using the connected accounts you just set up. And that is all there is to it.